I'm Jono Buchanan and welcome to FaderPro's Science of Sound course on rhythm and groove. On this course, we're going to strip rhythm back to its bare fundamentals, building grooves up one drum at a time to begin to see how we can take simple patterns into more complicated ones. How we can take those essential hits but begin to give them a feel and a flavour that's all our own, so we're bringing our own musical intuition into the beats that we program. If you're completely new to programming beats, it can be quite intimidating listening to commercial records and wondering how on earth to know where to program patterns. And one thing we're going to do on this course is to put a couple of classic genres under the microscope and begin to see how their beats are made. And armed with that knowledge, you can then take your own programming on, using that solid foundation to then personalise those patterns in any way you like. Use the word rhythm and you're inevitably going to think about drums, but rhythms are everywhere. They surround us in all of the music that we make. And one thing we're going to discover on this course is the ways that we can apply rhythms to non-drum instruments as well. And then we're also going to look at how we can create polyrhythms and syncopation using effects rather than notes we program, using delay to produce really interesting, complicated rhythmic patterns. Some people think that they have no sense of rhythm, but nothing could be further from the truth. After all, your heartbeat is keeping you alive, and it was doing that from before you were born. Effectively, rhythm is part of us. It's everywhere around us as well. So don't think for a moment that you don't have any sense of rhythm. Quite the opposite is true. And so what we're going to discover on this course is how you can maximize your innate sense of your own rhythmic personality.